Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best table fans that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Honeywell HT9004 TurboForce Tabletop Air Circulator Fan. Designed on a solid base, the Honeywell HT9004 has a hemisphere casing that houses the fan and motor on a U-shaped harness. The airflow produced by the motor has 3 settings that push out a range of 4.3 to 6.4 miles per hour wind, all on a head that will tilt vertically up to 90. You can incrementally adjust the speed to suit your preference. Changing the settings is simple, and it can work well on most desktops due to the cord's 6-foot length. This model can also be wall-mounted. Despite the solid airflow, the Honeywell HT9004 does not have an oscillating setting. And, with a noise level of 51 dBA on high, it creates more of a racket than most of the fans we tested. For desktop use, the head's pivot is a decent range. However, if you want to mount it on the wall, it is hard to reverse the airflow because you have to unmount it, flip it 180, and remount it. Regardless, the airflow is impressive when you consider the small stature of this fan, and the noise it produces is pretty quiet compared to table fans with equal power. Moving on at number 4, we have the Genesis Chapter 6-inch Clip Table Fans. The Genesis Chapter 6-inch clip is compact, lightweight, and quiet across all settings. The clip mode is great for a headboard or the side of the desk. It's a good choice for tight spaces with its relatively low airflow, 1.7 miles per hour on low, 3 on high. Additionally, the rubber feet on the clip are grippy and insulating, so the fan won't take itself for a walk or vibrate your keyboard off the desk. This fan is also simple to clean. Just remove the screen with the turn of a screw and get to work. We like the clip configuration on this unit, but we found the tabletop stand option slightly flimsy and fairly easy to knock off balance. The 5-foot-long cord that can pull at the unit further exacerbates this issue. Moreover, the head pivot is limited to 130 due to the clip configuration. However, oscillation and pivot are possible when using the stand, and we think this table fan is an excellent inexpensive option. At number 3, we have the Vornado PIVOTC Personal Air Circulator Fan. This 360 pivoting Vornado Pivot TC clip fan is a preferred desk space air stimulator. This model gives off a pleasant breeze while going virtually unnoticed due to its extremely compact size and moderate noise output. Moreover, the clip is small but effective and won't eat up precious desk space, and the long cord provides more options for placement. The caveat to this personal space fan is that the clip is neither deep nor wide, so this fan won't work on thick or beveled surfaces. Additionally, this model does not oscillate, and the airflow coming off the fan is only noticeable within 10 feet. That said, this unit is inexpensive and effective when it's within close proximity to you. At number 2, we have the Honeywell HT9008 TurboForce Room Air Circulator Fan. The Honeywell HT9008 TurboForce can move some air. We recorded a steady breeze of 10 miles per hour at 3 feet when on its highest setting. Don't mistake this model for a personal air agitator. Its powerful motor rendered a significant air movement at 20 feet. The HT9008 is a proper fan designed to circulate air in small to medium-sized spaces. Although the Honeywell HT9008 punches above its weight in the airflow department, it makes a lot of noise while doing so. Also, the unit does not swivel, and its pivot motion is limited between 0 and 90. As an added limitation, it can be annoying to clean due to the 5 screws securing the fan cage. The machine offers 3 settings and a 6-foot power cord, so you likely won't have an issue finding a comfortable setting and location for this fan. And finally at number 1, we have the Treva 10-inch Portable Fan. What makes the Treva 10-inch desktop battery fan stand out in the class of table fans is its slender profile and ability to run on 6D cell batteries if needed. Both features make it a go-to for those desiring a table fan for travel. The machine also produces a high wind speed of 4.5 miles per hour at 3 feet, which is gentle but still detectable at 20 feet. This fan's flat design makes it easy to pack. Unfortunately, this same feature limits it from oscillating and pivoting. Also, while the unit is compact, if it's loaded up with batteries, that adds about 2.5 pounds to its weight. Despite these limitations, you can't do better than this portable desktop air circulator if you need a fan for your on-the-go lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.